This is a trade that I was talking about in the Telegram channel. We had the O&L short that pushed us into the 6,600. Now we've had a strong push up and have tested this 650 area again. And I was saying that if we got a lower high under that, then I would want to take this back towards the 6,600. And I was looking at that POC as kind of my end target. So you can see I entered 2 contracts on that previous candle on the way down after we got that lower high. And I added 2 more on this retest of the O&L. And I was expecting this move right here. That first target, that's about 6 3/4 points. And you can see it lines up on the volume profile. And that's kind of where I generally take one contract off, especially because this one I wasn't anticipating us totally rolling over and coming back to that 6,600. I wanted to take these targets kind of as I got to them. So you can see right here at the A low, kind of that area where we are now. And I just start peeling these off because I was anticipating either a bounce with another lower high where I could add these contracts back, if we were going back to 6,600, or kind of like what did happen, we found buyers down here and retraced the entire thing. So I go ahead and take the last one off, or the second to last one. And I'm trying to stretch to that POC because to me, that's the obvious target. And that's about the area. Anywhere in here is what I was thinking, buyers might step back in and do basically exactly what they did. Or like I said, we would get another move up with a lower high, and that would take us into 6,600 again. My only regret is when I did get down to the POC here that I didn't like the other contracts. I didn't just take it when we get there. You'll see that I move the stop down. I'm trying to give it a little bit of room, but I don't think there was any point in that because I wasn't trying to get the 6,600 on this swing. If it just kept rolling and it kept picking up speed, I would move it out of the way and I could do basically what I did. But I think the way this is moving, and you can see that big push coming out of it on the 5-minute chart to the left, I should have just taken it like I did the other contracts. So here I move this down, trying to kind of give it just a little bit of room to see if it goes a little farther. So it's not too bad, but it does end up coming back and taking me out right there.